Do you want to know that how much symptoms are matching with autism in your child? And if child is autistic, then how much severe is your child autism level? Then watch this video till the end. Good morning friends, I am Dr. DK Rai. I have started autism video series on the autism symptoms as I have already discussed in detail in my book, Is Your Child Autistic? But I would like to discuss it again in detail to help those parents who are searching that my child has autism or not and how many symptoms are matching with autism. Then they will get the help from this video. Autism spectrum disorder is a neurodevelopmental disorder affecting the brain development. According to Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders DSM-5, child with ASD usually have challenges with social communication and behavior and restricted repetitive behavior or interest and other symptoms also. Before starting the symptoms, are you ready with paper and pen? You have to count the symptoms present in your child and which are matching with autism. Write in comment the total number of symptoms present in your child and what challenges are you facing at present. Also mention in comment. I will try to make video on that also. You can also suggest topic for next video. Please subscribe the channel for getting such informative videos on autism. Symptoms and signs of autism spectrum disorder. Autistic child may also have different ways of learning, moving or focusing. According to Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, certain challenges are observed in a child with ASD. There is three sections. Section A, social communication and interaction skill can be a problem for people with ASD. It may include lack of eye contact, that is child is not giving proper eye contact, no response to name at the age of 9 months, not showing facial expression like happy, sad, angry and surprised by 9 months of age, not playing simple interactive games by 12 months of age, not waving goodbye by 12 months of age, not sharing interest with others by 15 months of age, such as showing you an object that they like, not pointing to show you something interesting by 18 months of age, and not sharing interest with others by 15 months of age, such as showing you an object that they like, and not noticing when others are hurt or upset by 24 months of age, not pretending to be something else like a teacher, superhero during play by 48 months of age, and not noticing other children and join them in play by 36 months of age, not singing, dancing or acting for you by 60 months of age, and toe walking also a challenge. Detailed video on toe walking is in I button. You can watch that video. Section B is restricted repetitive behavior or interest. Child lines up toys or other objects and feels upset when sequence is changed. Repeat words or phrases known as echolalia. Plays with toys the same manner every time. Focus on parts of objects like wheels. Feels upset by minor changes. Shows obsessive interest. Follow certain routines like child will prefer to sleep at definite time, awake at definite time, eat at definite time, so that he could be comfortable. But if slight change in his her routine will make them panic. Hands flapping, rocking, or spin self in circles is a challenge for autistic child. They also have the unusual response to the way things sound, smell, taste, look, or feel. Other symptoms, most children with ASD have other related symptoms. They may be delayed language development, delayed movement skill, delayed cognitive or learning skill, hyperactivity, and or lack of focus. Epilepsy or seizure disorder, unusual eating or sleeping habits, like child will eat very less or eat very much, sleep either less or very much. Gastrointestinal issues like constipation or diarrhea is noticed. Unusual mood or emotional response like unnecessarily weeping or laughing. without any reason. Anxiety, stress, or excess worry are also noticed. Lack of fear or fear more than expected is seen in autistic child. In addition to negative aspects, I would like to discuss some positive aspects of autism, like child is very honest, trustworthy and realistic. His her mathematics skill is very good. Child is very good in music skill, painting and drawing. Also, they are very good skill. You can watch my detailed video on positive aspects of autism on I button. Autism spectrum disorder has broad range of symptoms. It is important to note that children with ASD may not have all of these or beyond these. These are the only common symptoms. These symptoms will help you to contact your doctor for detailed assessment, diagnosis, early intervention, or starting therapies as per need of your child. Autism has 3 levels on the basis of severity. Level 1 autism or mild autism, level 2 autism or moderate autism, and level 3 autism or severe autism. Level 1 or mild autism, children who need support and would suffer challenges in daily life, but they can speak in full sentences. Level 1 autistic people are inflexible in patterns of behavior, face difficulty to switch from one activity to the next. They have difficulty in initiating social interaction. They are not fully independent. Level 2 autism or moderate autism, according to DSM-5, children require definite support. Everyone around them will easily notice that they are different. These people are able to speak in simple sentences, but markedly odd non-verbal communication like body language and tone of voice. The same inflexible behavior will be seen like level 1 autism. Child with level 2 autism will find it very difficult to cope with challenges and social interaction limited to narrow special interest. Level 3 autism or severe autism, according to DSM-5, people with level 3 autism require very substantial support. They might rarely speak a few words which are very difficult to understand. Social interaction with non-autistic people is a challenging work. People have extreme difficulty in coping with changes at this level. Their requirement for repetitive actions and routines disrupted can be painful. By this way, you can check that how many symptoms are matching with your child, and you can write down in comment section that what other challenges are you facing, so that I could make our next video on those challenges to help you. And you can also check the level of severity that your child has mild, moderate or severe autism, and on that basis and early detection of symptoms, you can approach to professionals, doctors for starting early intervention so that your child quality of life could be improved. If this video is helpful for you, like it, share with your friends and family, and subscribe the channel so that other parents who are also searching for the level of autism of his or her child and how much symptoms are matching with autism, they could also be benefited. Thank you for watching the video.